Hey, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. I am using Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff, as you can see, this is like my second jar of this. It is so, I started using it last year. I think maybe towards the end of the summer or fall. I'm not sure, but I really like it. Now when it's humid outside, your hair will swell up some, but it's so moisturizing. So I think that it's worth it. So I wanted to do a review on it. So again, this is what I'm using. And I usually pair it with my Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic. This is the consistency. It's runny, as you can see. I call myself trying to cut me some bangs. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put more of that leave-in conditioner. I wet my hair a little bit more. And I usually don't, but I'm gonna get some argan oil. I'll seal that moisture in with this argan oil right here. I usually don't do this, but I said I'm gonna start doing this for a while to see if I notice a difference in my hair. Because I just don't really like oil on my hair. A few pumps of the Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic, and it's gonna look like, with this leave-in, it makes it look like really foamy, but it usually dries really nice. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this Camille Hydrate leave-in Honey Hydrate, and if you like it or not. Or if you haven't tried it, let me know if you plan on trying it, and let me know how you like it or not like it. You know, all these natural heads are different, even me and my daughter's hair. So, and this is not a leave-in conditioner that will make your curls pop or anything like that. It's basically it's a hydrate. It's a hydrate, like I said, hydrate. It hydrates the hair. And once this dry, I don't even know what to tell you, what I'm gonna do with it. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna use this clamp and see if I can keep this held down to give it a little stretch and let it dry like this and see if that will help me out. We'll see. It's 9 o'clock. And my hair is not all the way dry. Normally I do my hair first thing in the morning, but my hair is so soft, and I just really like the way the curls feel with this Hydrate leave-in. Let me get a close up so you can see these curls. Like, and they are just, oh my goodness, giving me so much curl perfection right about now. Earlier, and I let it dry like this pretty much all day, and that helps. Even though it still look crazy, don't look as crazy. No. But that's that. So if you haven't already, check it out. Let me know if you have used it. Let me know if you like it and how does it work on your hair for you. But for me, it's a thumbs up. Like I said, in the summertime or in the climate of, or atmosphere of a lot of humidity, your hair will swell up some because of the honey in here, like the ingredients. What's all in there? I like it, so yeah, I got to get me some more. I want to keep this in my rotation. When you really need some major moisture, major hydration, it's right here. Like all things, everything don't work for everybody, so that's my little disclaimer. Just because it worked for me and I like it, you may not like it. That's the way it goes in the natural hair world. So I think I'll come back on here tomorrow, the other days, and let you just see how it progressed. Okay, so I want to come back on here and show you day 3 hair. You have to be careful because this gel, not gel, but this leave-in can feel a little tacky, like sticky a little bit. It has like a not greasy feel, but just hydrating, good moisturizing feel. But it is so nice and soft. This is what I like. And it's bouncy, it's soft like a pillow, fluffy. Yeah. There. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell, ding ding ding, to get notifications so you will know whenever we post a new video. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Don't be shy, say hi. Until next time, always say the same. We'll see you in the next one.